beautiful friends. Happy Wednesday to you. Happy fall. I am cold. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm so excited. I hope that you're having a wonderful week. My name is Livier. I make videos most every week on faith, beauty, and lifestyle, and my hope is to bring your everyday joy and inspiration and bring you lots of value to navigate the ups and the downs of your daily life. Today, my friends, I'm going to share with you how to take some Trader Joe's flowers and turn them into really beautiful, well, according to me, really beautiful and simplistic floral arrangements for your house, and how to take a few bunches and divide them up into different little pieces for your house. Let's make some beautiful flowers, friends. The first thing that I did is I already put all of my flowers into a bucket. Took off all of the little rubber bands and I put them in here with water. That way I can see what I have. And then I've divided and already filled up with water all of the receptacles that I want to make beautiful vases from. So I'm gonna do this one, and then I grab just a simple clear one. This is the way that I like to start everything, is making sure that I always put the food that comes with your flowers. It does make a difference. And a way that you can make your flowers have longevity is to make sure that you're putting it in, but you're actually mixing it with a spoon. That just happened. Flipazoids. But what I want you to take from this is that when life throws curveballs at you, breathe. Know that you've made a mistake, but you're not a mistake. If you make a mistake, move forward, get up, try again. Life is always gonna throw things your way that you don't want. Life is always gonna have challenges through the things that you wanna do, and it is up to you to get back up again. I love using sage on my little florals. It's so whimsical and pretty. The trick is to put dimension into your flowers, and I like to do that by putting them at different lengths and then setting them with different colors. And I love using these little guys. I don't know what these are called, but I know that these are sage and they're so pretty. So this was my trying again. I got really frustrated and I was like, well, might as well not film. But maybe you need to hear today that things aren't perfect, and things aren't perfect for me. So I don't want to give the illusion of that to you at all one bit. The glass broke. I'm very frustrated. I have to run out to get my children, but I still made it a point to finish one of the items that I wanted to finish, and I wanted to share with you because I want you to know the realness of me. I want you to know the trials and the difficulties that I also face. And I know that breaking a vase isn't like, oh my gosh, it's like big trial, but I've faced many bigger trials in my life, and I know that the little trials help you cope and overcome the bigger ones. This morning we're cleaning the entire house, and what I love to do on a new month, especially now that it's fall, is to get, after the house gets cleaned, I love being able to make flower arrangements. Okay, here they are. Here are 3 little floral arrangements that you can make out of Trader Joe's flowers. If you just get little different bunches that kind of coincide together. I grabbed these. I don't know what they're called, you guys, but I grabbed a bunch of these. I grabbed a bunch of these, this little guy, and sage. The reason why I love these flowers is that they last so long. They're troopers. Oh, so are these. And the sages too. And they all kind of look different. My trick is to do different dimensions and different heights on your flowers, and then put different ones in and see, you know, does that look good there? And then for a clear vase, I love that the way that it looks very simplistic. So for clear vases, I really like to go very minimal with it because it does look so pretty because you can see the green inside of it. So I like to go minimal. I love putting sage in on those and just having it sort of sprout about. I think it looks super whimsical and beautiful. And then for something like this, which is a nice, bigger, more elegant type of floral arrangement, I like to make it really full. I typically style the floral arrangement from my point of view of where I'm going to put the vase. So if this were to be my centerpiece, I would want to make sure that everything looked nice all around. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that looks. So this one, it pretty much looks good all around. So every which way that you do it. This one I made more is going to be viewing it only from the front of it. So you see back here it kind of doesn't look as cute. This one as well, because I'm going to put this in my bedroom. So it just depends on what you're doing your floral arrangements for. That is kind of how I think about it, is if the eye is only going to see one area, then I choose to just start making it pretty from that point of view rather than having to deal with the whole side of it. But for a big floral arrangement, like if you're having something big like this for your table for Thanksgiving or Christmas or Hanukkah, this is something that you might want to consider, making sure that you're putting it all around so that it could fill the vase and make it look impactful. Gosh, that one looks so pretty. Can you imagine your table right here with all of your nice table goods? It's so pretty. It could be like, this is the centerpiece, and then you just go ham with the table.
Cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night.
Pick up some flowers, pick up some beautiful flowers for yourself. Make your home a place that you want to be in. I hope that you have a beautiful and wonderful, wonderful week. See you soon. Adios.